How will AI transform cancer survival rates between now and 2050? The power of AI lies in its ability to expand our understanding of cancer in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. The more we understand these diseases, the better we can diagnose, treat, and ultimately improve survival for patients. One of the most exciting changes will come from precision medicine. With AI, we can analyze a patient's genetics, history, and electronic health record to create a personalized treatment plan, a plan tailored specifically to that individual. AI can then look across millions of other patients to find those with similar genetic makeup or clinical profile and identify what treatments work best for them. This means the therapy chosen for each patient will be highly targeted, more effective, and less harmful. In the future, many treatments will rely on the patient's own immune system using immunotherapy rather than surgery or drugs that damage healthy tissue along with the cancer. AI will help us identify exactly which therapies are most likely to succeed for each patient, turning today's invasive treatment into tomorrow's precise and elegant solution.